Hey y'all, it's Sarah with Papercraft Junkie, and I wanted to give you another easy envelope journal cover for your junk journals. I like this one. I was trying to see where my other one was. I don't even remember what that one was. This one is super simple. It is just a large manila envelope. I think I even got this one at like 5 of them for $1 or $1.25 now at Dollar Tree. And so it measures 12 inches. And so on the scoring board, where's my little scoring board? On the scoring board, I just score on either side of the 6. Since it measures to 12, I score just 1/8 of an inch to the left and 1/8 of an inch to the right of the 6 and make a little booklet. There's my little spine. I like doing this also because it makes a nice little folder to hold things in if I have ideas and I just haven't gotten to putting them in the booklet yet. So I really like the very large pocket that comes in this one. This is my Cozy Christmas kit, and I love this one. It's so cute. And it looks like it has ripped pages, and I really like it. So, yeah, so I sewed my little signature onto the spine here. I haven't decorated the inside. I started and I couldn't decide what I wanted to do, quite honestly. So usually what I do here also, do I have a piece of paper, is I put the little clasps up and then I just stab through. And then you can also put a piece of paper on the top there or not, whatever you want to do. These papers aren't quite as big, so I was gonna collage inside, or I don't know. On the outside, close this up so that I can, on the cover, the front cover and the back cover, I took a book page that was about the same size, and then I took just printed out one of the pages from my kit and ripped those. I got this cool little ruler, and it rips the pages, right? Like easily and nicely in a straight line, but it looks like torn pages. And so that's how I did the edges of this one. I'll put a link to that in the description. Yeah, so I ripped the pages of the book and the pages of the, from my kit, from my Cozy Christmas kit, and just glued those on. And I thought about that on the inside, but haven't quite got there. Let's see, what else do I have? This kit has some really pretty stuff in it. I've already kind of gone through it. Look how cute this is. Maybe that needs to go on the inside here, although I kind of like it that way. I don't know how I can get it to be that way. That would be cute there too. And this one, just like all my other kits, has a mini journal. Cute little mini journal. Journaling cards, all kinds of stuff. There's 21 pages in this kit, like most of my kits. Pockets and pockets galore. Oh, I could do this too. I've got this little pocket as well. Is that gonna fit there? Where's the, yeah, that'll totally fit right there. Could put that there, have a pocket there, and then a pocket on the other side. Lots of pockets for this one. Yeah, so easy. This is easy peasy, probably the easiest junk journal cover that I have made, because you literally just score it and fold it and then sew your signature in and decorate it. You could, I don't know, if you wanted, there's plenty of room. You could score it even a little bit wider if you wanted to put two signatures into it. I bet you could score it a little bit wider. You know, one more, go a 1/2 inch on, what is that? Is that 1/4 inch? Sorry, that was 1/8. And 1/4 inch on that side and 1/4 inch on the other side, double the width of the spine, so that you could put 2 signatures in there. And I bet it's still, you've got, because there's plenty of room here for you to be able to do that, to make a double signature cover for it. But super simple, super easy. I'll also link the envelope junk journal cover that I did last week in the description in case you wanted to try that one too. And hopefully you have as much fun with the Cozy Christmas Kit as I am. All right, have a great day. Thank you.